In this segment, we will look at fig flour for points of inspiration in the baking category. Think about the possibility of fig flour as a way to augment other flours in baking systems and how to make some standard products more interesting and intriguing. Fig flour is produced from dried figs after the fig juice concentrate has been removed. The fig flour is therefore no longer sweet, but retains much of its earthy, rich flavors. For me, it behaves much like buckwheat flour. To show this, I will use a pancake mix as an example because most ideas that can be applied to pancake mixes can be applied to virtually all baked products. The addition of fig flour amplifies the color and also adds a subtle nutty flavor and interest to the mix. With the popularity of nut flours and other grains added to dry baking mixtures, fig flour seems like a perfect fit. And a big plus is that fig flour is gluten-free and full of fiber. And these pancakes are even better with some great syrup. I like to add a touch of fig juice concentrate to my maple syrup. It makes for an intriguing pancake syrup. Bottom line, California figs are highly functional when it comes to baking. Figs have a low specific gravity, keeping the fruit from sinking in batters and can promote even distribution. The low water activity and moisture can increase shelf life and help reduce baking times, resulting in lower input cost. Last but certainly not least, figs add flavor and texture without added refined sugar or sodium. In our final video, we will look at California fig ingredients in savory applications, an inspiring and untapped category.